Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on using PyForm utilities. In this tutorial, we will learn about PyForm utilities, how to use PyForm utilities, how to run and plot data for the ShockTube case using PyForm utilities. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system 14.04, OpenFOAM version 2.3.0, PyForm 0.6.5. As a prerequisite, user should have basic knowledge of running commands on the Linux terminal and some experience of running and analyzing OpenFOAM cases. Let me introduce you to PyForm utilities. Utilities are Python programs which come inbuilt with PyForm. Each utility has a specific function. Utilities are executed from the command line. List of utilities that can be viewed using tab completion. Open the terminal. The list of utilities can be viewed by typing pyform and then pressing tab key twice. Let me switch back to the slides. Each utility can be executed with the -help option. This helps us to find out what it does and what its options are. We are going to use the below PyForm utilities to run the ShockTube case. We will use pyform runner.py, pyform sampleplot.py, and then plot the necessary data using pyform. Pyform runner.py can be used to run cases. It also generates log files for later use. This utility is used to plot the various data obtained from the previously set up sample dict. ShockTube is an instrument used to replicate and direct blast waves at a sensor to model actual explosion and their effects. In this case, the rectangular tube has low pressure on the right side and high pressure on the left side. Both the pressure zones are separated by a thin diaphragm. Open the terminal. Type the path for row central foam inside compressible solver. Type ls. You can see the ShockTube case. Now type cd space ShockTube. You can see three folders: 0.org, constant and system. We need to copy the 0 file from 0.org. So type cp space -r space 0.org space 0 and press enter. Now go to the system folder by typing cd space system. Open the sample dict file using gedit. Go to the bottom of the file and remove u.component0. Replace it with ux, uy and uz. Remove row as well. Save and exit the file. Go one level back by typing cd ... Run the command blockmesh to mesh the geometry. After this, type setFields to set the pressure boundary condition. Now we will use the pyform utility of pyformrunner.py. Type pyformrunner.py space followed by the name of the solver, that is row central foam. This runs the case and creates a post-processing log. Type ls. We can see the log files which are generated. Now type sample to run the sample utility. After this, we can plot for various time steps using pyform sampleplot.py space dot slash space minus directory, that is dir, equal to post processing /sets space -info. This will show which fields we have with us. Then type pyfoamsampleplot.py space dot slash space -dir equal to post processing /sets space field equal to capital T space mode equal to times in1 space vertical pipe space GNU plot. The output generated will be a PNG file. Type ls. We can see the PNG file which is generated. In this tutorial, we learned about Pyfoam utilities. We also learned to check for various Pyfoam utilities, pyfoamrunner.py to run the solver, pyfoamsampleplot utility to generate a PNG file. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on OpenFOAM in this forum. The FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. The Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Rahul Joshi from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.